In this video, we are going to be addressing this area of the eyes here. So many of us have those 11 lines. I mean, I do to a degree as well, because, we're looking down and we're squinting all the time. And that's one of the things to remember when we're working on the face. It's the expressions we hold that creates the patterning. So part of this work is designed to undo the patterning, but also become aware of how you move your face into these negative spaces. Stress will do that. If you're squinting because of the sun, it will do that. So just again, it's an awareness. So this is really simple to do. I'm just going to use both of my thumbs at the same time, elbows on the table, and I'm simply going to place my thumbs right on the inside here. And just very slowly, I'm going to allow the weight of my head and gravity to do the work as I sink into the thumb space. Now, there's no shortage of pain here, so remember your breath is your guide. You direct how much pressure you apply. It never serves us to force. Persuasion versus force is the goal. So, as long as you're breathing in that relaxed way, you're doing good things. If you're pushing down and it's causing that breath to be stressed because of too much pain, you're actually going in the opposite direction of our desired goal. Now, as you start to sink in, just tiny micro movements. You can work to bring the fingertips together and pull them apart. So we're just basically corkscrewing the thumbs into this space. And all of that thickness you're feeling in there, those are just adhesions that have built up over time. And not only does it affect the appearance, it also impacts your vision. It also creates, at least in part, the dynamic for the hooded eyes. We want everything to be where they're supposed to be, all of those cells, up and back, nice and lifted, supported through breath and correct alignment. Now continue on with your thumbs. I just want to show you how the paddle works in this space. You can simply place the paddle right into that area and then just allow the weight of the head to sink in. And then what's lovely is as you start to really connect the bone and the wood, you can very gently start to pull the tissue from the underside up and out. And we can actually do this all the way to the outside of the eye. So just sharing, and you can even use the inside of the paddle for this as well. So just sharing. But let's continue here for another minute or so. Slowly taking those hands out and in as you work your way, not necessarily all the way to the outside corner of the eyes, but just a little further from where we started. If your neck is starting to fatigue a bit, you can even just sit back and just use your thumbs here, or even just take a moment to break if that's necessary. Always respect your limits. And we'll take 3 more breaths. And then just use your thumbs, track the eyebrows all the way to the temple and release and up. And just notice how you feel. Again, we look at the computer, we look at our screen so much. As we're bringing the head down, we lift the eyes up and then we get thick and stuck up through here. And that again blocks the ability for your eyes to track properly. So do this every day if it feels right for you and notice what happens.